So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. So get on this Windows icon. Now search the application that you want a shortcut of. Let's say I want a shortcut of Opera, then I'll search Opera. Now select this arrow down button and you can see this option right here called open file location. Now select this. Now you guys will get on this folder here. So you can see the Opera browser shortcut now has been created, but there's a problem that it is created in a different folder and we have to put it in the desktop folder. Now just cut it from here with the shortcut of Ctrl+X and select desktop folder. Now paste it here with Ctrl+V, and just like this you guys can see the Opera browser shortcut now has been kept on our desktop. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.